This is how you create a newspaper highlighter effect using Premiere Pro. Select a rectangle tools from the tools bar and create a box over your text where you want to highlight. From an Essential Graphics panel, select a desired fill color of your choice. Next, go to Effect Control panel, and under the opacity, change the blend mode to multiply. Next, from Effects panel, search for Crop Effect and drag it to the graphics layer. Now again, go to Effects Control and under Crop Settings. At the starting frame, set right to 100%. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch, then move forward in the timeline to where you want the animation to end, and set right to 0%. For a smoother animation, right-click the last keyframe and select Ease In. To add a brushstroke texture, go to Effects panel, drag, and apply the Roughen Edges effect to the graphic layer. Adjust the border value to match your desired look. You can now save this effect as a preset by selecting All Applied Effects, right-clicking, and choosing Save Preset. To reuse it, drag the preset onto a graphics layer and adjust the settings as needed. Why not to hit that subscribe button for more quality content?